Hey everybody, and welcome back to Crafting Made Easy. If you're interested to see how I did this phone case, stand by. So what you'll need to complete this project will include a phone case. So again, I got these phone cases off of Shein for $1. You'll need something to hold your rhinestones. I got these in some kits. I'm not sure if you can find them separately, like in the Dollar Tree or Hobby Lobby or anything like that. But you can put them in something like this, and I got this from the Dollar Tree, and this will help separate the different colors. If you have more colors or whatever, you can use something like that, as long as you're using some type of tray to hold your jewels. This is good because it kind of helps flip the jewels over. You'll also need a wax pen, of course some rhinestones, and then some other embellishments. I will be using UV resin to adhere my rhinestones and embellishments to my phone case. You don't necessarily have to use that. You could use E6000, what is it? Liquid Effusion, or some other glues that go with rhinestones that match well with rhinestone placement. You can use those type of glues, but I typically like to use UV resin because I don't like to wait for it to dry. E6000 is very strong and it gives me a headache, so I try not to use that whenever I can. I believe that is all that you'll need for this particular project. Excuse me. If I remember anything, of course, as usual, it will be down in the description box below. All right, y'all, and now that's out the way, let's get started. All right, y'all, so pretty much all you're gonna do is just place the rhinestones. So this video is not really showing you how to place the rhinestones because it's kind of your own idea on how you want your rhinestones to look on your phone case. It does take quite a while. I think this project took me about 4 hours to do. I did want the big rows in the middle, kind of like a phone grip type thing, so people can hold the phone up with that, since I didn't put a regular phone grip on there. And then I just placed the roses, placed some of the jewels and stuff. I got the cabochons from Amazon. Those particular rhinestones I did get off of Amazon, and it came with a mixture of pearls and rhinestones. But I also used some crystal rhinestones that I got from Bling one. Wait a minute, is it Bling? No, Blingology 101. I did show a video of those rhinestones on my channel, so hopefully I'll remember to put the card up here to take y'all back to that. I love their rhinestones. They are so beautiful, and I will also put a video of when this phone case was all finished and how it sparkled in the sun, like no filter, no nothing, with the rhinestones I got from Amazon, along with the ones I got from Blingology, because they are superb and beautiful. Like, that's all I use right now is excuse me, all I use right now is rhinestones from Blingology, or they're also called TheDecoKraft. So that's pretty much all I used for this phone case. I used the ones from Amazon, but I didn't really use a lot of the crystals. I only used some of them, and then I used the pearls. But I'll show you that at the end. You'll see how it all turned out, and it looked really, really cute. I say just have fun with it, make it your own design, and like just have fun with it. I like placing rhinestones because it's very relaxing, it's very calming. I just turn on some Netflix or turn on some music, turn on some kind of streaming app and catch up on all my shows, binge watch some stuff. Or like I said, just or even YouTube, catch up on my watch later videos, child. Or just listen to some music and just zone out and just rhinestone stuff. I have not posted like I want to on this channel, but I believe that I have caught up on life because, like I said in my other videos on my a Life with Lolo channel. Just because you stop in life does not mean life pauses around you, and when you unpause yourself, you got to catch up with life. So that's what I was pretty much doing. I was trying to catch up with life, and I kind of let my craft go, but I'm back in the zone, y'all. I've been blessed, and I have a lot of orders that I've been able to place, doing phone cases, doing shirts, of course, doing jewelry and stuff like that. So I have been very blessed to be able to do that. So I've been just trying to do that, and do YouTube channels and stuff like that, and also do, you know, my real job, because I have not had the pleasure of quitting my real job and just crafting all day. One day I will, but right now it just ain't happening. But as they say, God doesn't put on you any more than you can handle. So I think I found a real good balance in life and with crafting and stuff. So I will have a video posted at least once a week, because I want to get my channel back up and popping. I have had some new subscribers, so I just want to thank all of y'all for, you know, still hanging in there with your girl, still watching my videos, still subscribing, still liking and commenting and all that other stuff. So I do really appreciate that. Y'all are just been a blessing to me in this time. So I just want to say thank you to all of y'all. If you have anything that you wanted to see on my channel, or that I don't have, let me rephrase that, I don't have a Glowforge, I don't have any embroidery machines or anything like that, so I cannot show you that, but I can show you different things without those machines, and I can even show you some stuff that you can do without your Cricut. So, you know, just kind of let me know if you have any ideas, or you want to see something, or you're having difficulty with something and you want to see it. Just let me know, and I'll try my best to figure it out and then post it up here on this channel. Also, you see me getting up, going I had to take several breaks because my back, oh god, back pains, oh god, they are for the birds. But I had to get up several times to stretch, maybe get a snack and all that other stuff. Like I said, I think this project took me like 4 hours to do. But yeah, but it won't even seem like it's that long, because I think, yeah, this video probably won't even be that long. So, but it really did take me like 4 hours. And if you decide to kind of sell these in your store or whatever, charge for what it's worth. Charge for your time, charge for the rhinestones, charge for the phone case. Yeah, some of the stuff you'll be able to continue to use. Like, I have rhinestones from Blingology, and I have not used a bunch of them on one phone case, so maybe I can get maybe like 2 or 3 phone cases out of them, but still charge like you're using that whole pack on that phone case. And charge for your time, because like I said, it took me 4 hours to do this phone case. Yeah, so I will definitely be charging for my time. I've sold a couple of phone cases, and I definitely charge for my time, because it's not easy. Your neck, your back, your hand even starts cramping up, because I got some carpal tunnel in my hand. So like, charge for that. Like, don't sell yourself short. And if people say, oh, that's too expensive, then they just not your customer. They just not for you, and someone will buy it. Trust and believe someone will buy your creation. But it was something else I was going to say. I cannot remember what it was, but I should have wrote it down. I'm sorry, y'all. But yeah, I'm not going to keep rambling on throughout this video. I just really wanted to just say hello to y'all. Thank y'all for supporting your girl. Thank you for continuing to Lord, I can't even get it out. Thank you for continuing to subscribe, like, and comment. And I really do appreciate everything that y'all have done for me in this past year. My channel is continually to grow. We are so close to that 10,000 mark, y'all. So yes, I cannot wait to post that and celebrate. And then probably when I hit 10,000, no, probably when I hit 10,000, I will be doing a giveaway, so look out for that. But yeah, once again, thank you for everything you have done. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy all the other videos that are upcoming. Oh, that's what it was. I will be having I will be doing a segment on the Cricut machine, because I know it's a lot of people out there who have a machine, but they don't know what they can do or even how to use it. So I will have like a series on how to use your Cricut machine. So look out for that series coming up. And just look out for the other craft videos that will be coming up as well. All right, y'all, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna play some music, and don't forget to watch till the end where you see how this baby looks in the sun. All right, y'all, I hope y'all have a beautiful and blessed day. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one. Until then, y'all, peace.